Global oil demand first passed through 100 million barrels a day in 2019, but the impact of the COVID pandemic hit demand hard. At one point in the April of 2020, the price of a barrel of Brent crude fell to $22.4. It's much higher now. On Friday, the market price closed at $85.5. That's a price that buyers are happy to accept on the world markets. June saw an estimated aggregate demand of 103 barrels per day. So why is demand so high? That's a question I put to the independent energy analyst Cornelia Meyer.
Well, the economy is doing a little bit better, the global economy, than was anticipated at the beginning of the year. Especially the US is doing a lot better. And even in Europe, where some economies aren't doing too well, there is still that revenge travel and tourism from, the COVID era. People want to travel again and all the planes are full. And we see that across the globe.
In fact, the International Energy Agency says demand could reach a fresh peak this month and has pushed up its expectation for the whole of 2023, suggesting demand could reach just over 102 million barrels per day across the whole year. That could push up prices even further, especially with recent supply cuts by Saudi Arabia and Russia, the world's second and third biggest oil producers. Of course, there's increasing pressure for all of us to move towards clean energies, and there are more electric vehicles on the roads than ever before. But on the whole, the global economy is proving resilient and the population continues to grow rapidly. So despite ongoing environmental concerns, the demand to keep producing and burning oil is here to stay. The IEA doesn't expect oil demand to plateau until 2032.